Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to invite friends in Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here as you can see in Google Pay where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, after logging into your account, you can see the home page right here where you can see you can set up tap to pay, you can send or request money, track spending, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to invite your friends to use Google Pay. So guys, basically, if you want to share your rewards with your friends for them also starting to use Google Pay, this is how you do it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile picture right here in the upper right corner. So go ahead and click on your profile picture, and in this new menu that appears after clicking your profile picture, you will see all the options that you have. As you can see your balance here, you can see your wallet and so on. And as you can see guys, under the wallet option is an option that says invite your friends. So guys, this is the option that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on this option guys, and now you have copied this code that you can go ahead and send to your friends, and when they download the application and log in, they can use your referral code and you will both receive rewards for spending and using money on Google Pay. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to invite your friends. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.